Hey friends, so at this center today, we are going to learn how to sort shapes. You all should have a bag of shapes like this in front of you. These are your shapes and your shapes only. We're not sharing them with our friends. They have their own bag of shapes. We're not mixing and matching. If my friend has a blue triangle that I really want, I can't take it from them. I can only use the shapes that are in my bag. So when you are dumping your shapes out, be sure to be very careful so they're not falling all over the floor, falling into your friend's spot. You're dumping them out just where you're at. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have my bag of shapes. I'm gonna open it up and very carefully dump it out in front of me. And I want you to do the same. So go ahead. Okay, now that you have your shapes dumped out, the first way we are going to sort them is by color. If you look, we have blue and green, red, yellow, and all you're going to do is make a pile of yellow, make a pile of green, make a pile of blue, and make a pile of red. So all of my yellows are going to go over here. All of my reds over here, all of my blues over here, greens over here, and I'm gonna keep sorting until all of my shapes are in a group. If you think you understand, go ahead and start sorting your shapes. Okay, I am done sorting mine. I'm gonna give you a couple more seconds to sort yours. And when you are done, I want you to put your hands on your head. All right, we are going to sort them in a different way. So we sorted by color. Now we're going to mix all of our shapes back up again into the middle. We're not doing it super crazy. We're just mixing them back up into the middle into one big pile. We are going to sort these by shape. So all of my shapes that look like triangles, and we're gonna go ahead and include these 3 shapes in there too, are gonna go over here. All of my shapes that look like circles, and we'll include this 3D shape too, so it has a circle right here, will go over here. All of my shapes that look like squares, okay, and we'll include our cubes, because they have squares on them, go right here. I also have a hexagon. We'll put that over here. I have a rectangle. We'll put that right here. I have a diamond. We'll put that over here. I don't know if you can see that one. I'll move that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start sorting those. So here's a circle. A cube, we'll put that over there. Triangle, triangle. Maybe I'll just try and get all my triangles first. So this time when I'm sorting, it doesn't matter what color the shape is. It only matters what shape it is. So all my circles. Where did I put? Oh, rectangles, rectangle. Square, diamond, cube, cube, Okay, if you understand how you're sorting your shapes this time, I want you to go ahead and begin. If you still have a question about how to sort these shapes, go ahead and raise your hand and you can ask a teacher or ask a friend. Okay, I finished sorting my shapes. I'm gonna give you a few more seconds to sort all of yours, and then we will move on to our next sorting exercise. Okay, let's go ahead and move our shapes back to the middle. Okay, we mix them up again. And this time when we sort, we are going to do it by size. So I have big, medium, and little. Okay, it's not going to matter what color it is, and it's not going to matter what shape it is. It's only going to matter how big it is. So all of my big shapes I'm going to put over here, and I'm gonna do that first. Whoops. Okay, all of my medium shapes I'm going to put right here. I'm gonna put that over here. Those are big diamonds. So medium. And then that means that all of these are my small shapes. So I'm gonna move those over here. Okay, so go ahead and sort yours by big, medium, and little. I'm going to give you a few more seconds to finish that. And when you're done, I want you to put your hands under your bottom. I want you to sit on them. So we just sorted our shapes by size. I am gonna put all these back in the middle. And we are going to pick out circles. How about we do that? Let's pick out all of our circles. I am going to sort my circles from biggest to smallest. So I'll start with my biggest circles. And here's what I have left. And then these are my medium-sized circles. And then these are my smallest circles. But what if I did that by color? So what if I did my blue circles, biggest to smallest, my yellow circles, biggest, medium, small, my green circle, this one looks like a medium, but it's biggest to smallest, and then my red. I could do it that way too. So I want you to find all your circles, or if you don't have very many circles, you could find your triangles or your squares. And I want you to sort them biggest to smallest. And then you can also do it by color like we did. All of your blues biggest to smallest, all of your yellows biggest to smallest, all of your greens biggest to smallest, and all of your reds biggest to smallest. I'm gonna give you a minute to do that. Okay, we can put those back in the middle. The last thing that we're going to do is pattern. And we are going to start with a very easy pattern. We're going to pick 2 colors and repeat it over and over and over again. So the 2 colors we're going to pick are blue and red. And we're only repeating the color. So blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. What's gonna come next? Right, red. So it doesn't matter what the shape is, it only matters what the color is. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Okay. Let's do a shape pattern. We could do triangle, circle, triangle, circle. What's gonna come next? Right, triangle, and then circle. Good job. And you could just, this gets repeated. This is the pattern, triangle and then circle. And you just repeat it over and over and over again. Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. It's just that same thing going over. It's like you're stamping it over and over and over again. Okay, what if we did a size pattern? Big, little, big, little, big, little. What would come next? Big, and then little. So it doesn't matter the shape and it doesn't matter the color. The only thing that matters in this pattern is the size. First you have something big, then you have something little. Big, little, big, little, big, little. And you just repeat it over and over and over again. Now, what if we got a little bit crazier and we did triangle, circle, square. Okay, so this is our pattern. It has 3 things. The first thing is a triangle. The second thing is a circle. The third thing is a square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Let's see, I'm trying to find a square. Here we go. What would come next? Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, and then square. Uh-oh, I don't know if I have a square, so I'm gonna have to use a cube. We'll just use that. I don't know if you can even see him. All right, let's go ahead and put all of those back into the middle. So now that you're done with all of your activities, if you still have time at this center, you can pick something. Maybe you're gonna sort them into cubes and cylinders. Maybe you wanna sort all of your triangles and rectangles, however you wanna do it. Or you could also pattern. So you can create different patterns with all of your shapes as well. If you don't have any more time, then that probably means it's going to be recess soon. So thank you for paying attention and following along. And I hope you had fun sorting and classifying your shapes today. Bye.